Hello guys, welcome to Zip channel, and in today's video I'll guide you about how to visit the popular Statue of Unity, the longest statue in the world. I have visited this place with my family and it was a truly great experience. So let's get started. So welcome to the Statue of Unity. So now I'll explain you how to reach the Statue of Unity by air. So the nearest airport is Vadodara, about 90 kilometers away, and from Vadodara taxis and buses are easily available. By train there is Ekta Nagar railway station, earlier Kevadia. This is just 5 kilometers from the site. We can go to Kevadia, and here you can see, this is the Kevadia railway station. I'll do street view. And you can see here Ekta Nagar, Statue of Unity, Gujarat. So then, the direct trains from now run from Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Delhi and major cities, making travel very convenient. So by road, well-connected highways from Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Surat and Rajkot. So then the smooth drive since science highways, and you get closer to the hills and river. Then now this is, you can see the statue. So the Statue of Unity experience, what you'll see inside is first entry and viewing gallery. After security and ticketing elevators, you take to up after viewing gallery at 153 meters from here. You get a breathtaking panoramic view from the Narmada Valley, Vindhya and Satpura ranges, and the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Then it's calm, powerful and unforgettable. So now I'll explain you the museum exhibition hall, which is here. I'll do the street view data. Here you can see this, and there's also a museum inside. This is the whole museum. You can see then the exit. There are also many things here. Here think the freedom fighters. Then you can see here pets, then animals, flowers, and then fruits. The pictures. This is the museum and the exhibition hall. Then now before after the statue visit, don't miss the museum, because you get many knowledge in that. And the life and legacy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is India's freedom movement, how the statue was engineered and built. It adds depth and emotion to the visit. So now places to see around the Statue of Unity. I'll explain you. Then now this is where many people are pleasantly surprised. And Statue of Unity is full of destination, not just a monument. Then I love this street value, and let's go to the value of flowers. This is the value of flowers here. And then right at the base of the statue, the seasonal blooms, walking paths, and the perfect photo spots with the statue towering above. Now I'll show you the value of flowers here, the photos. You can see here the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Then this is the whole value of flowers photo. This is the value in flowers, and now we'll go to the jungle safari and the zoological park, which is the white lion cage, and it's everything in the jungle safari and zoological park, which is somewhere here. And you can see here the white lion cage, the zoological park. So let's go here. Here are the photos. There are real giraffes and some deers, and this is the whole birds. There are real birds, white tiger, and parrots, peacocks, and many other. So now I'll tell you about the jungle safari and the zoological park. It is the India's largest zoological park, featuring animals from across continents and natural sterile habitats, great for families and kids. So now I'll show you the Sardar Sarovar Dam viewpoints, which is here. Sardar Sarovar Dam viewpoints. You can see the whole dam. So from here, it is the borders of the Maharashtra and Gujarat. So here is Gujarat and this side is the Maharashtra. Actually, Maharashtra is in the east and Gujarat is in the west side. There are the borders. So now, it is a visit designated viewpoints to appreciate one of the India's most dams, especially beautiful around sunset. Then river rafting on Narmada. Then this is the whole Narmada river, and you can do river rafting here. The best viewpoint of Narmada. Then yes, the adventure lovers can enjoy white water rafting this season, and a unique way to experience the landscape. So now we'll go to the cactus garden, a world-class cactus and a succulent garden with species from across the globe overlooking the dam surveyor. Oh, it looks good. So let's do a street view data there. Let's zooming. And this is the cactus garden. Then here you can see it's closed now, but you can see it somewhere here. You can also see some pictures of the cactus garden. Oh. There are different type of cactus and a puntia also. Here you can see the 20 images of cactus garden, and now I'll show you the Unity Glow Garden, which is here besides Kevadia. Unity Glow Garden also. So I'll tell you about the Unity Glow Garden, and now come in evening. This is an illuminated garden, comes alive with the light, installation, sculptures and interactive displays, a hit with all age groups. So this is the Unity Glow Garden. I'll show you here. But I saw this. It's a Unity Glow Garden here. You can see this whole. Let's see the pictures. There are also games here, and it's a dance spot. Then we can click photos. It's a very good thing here. It's a very good place to visit. Then there are also maze gardens, and now we'll go to the laser light and the sound show, which is also here in the Glow Garden. The laser light and the sound show, it's a part of there. Then the end your day with the evening of laser show, where the Sardar Patel life is narrated, and against the statue itself, emotional, inspiring and very well done. So the nearby places worth visiting if you have extra time. You can visit the Statue of Unity. Then there is the Nikant Dam, Pochia, a serene spiritual complex about 75 kilometers. Zarwani waterfalls. Everything is in Kevadia. Zarwani waterfalls, which is the nature lovers. The nature lovers escape inside the Supaneshwar Wildlife Sanctuary. Now you can see here the Supaneshwar Wildlife Sanctuary. You're also inside the mountains. There are waterfalls and many other things. Beautiful. Then the Kevadia Arogya Van, the wellness forest themed around the Ayurveda. Then the best time to visit is October to March. A pleasant weather, ideal sightseeing. Then summers can be hot, so plan early mornings and evenings of visiting then. So the final words from your guide: the Statue of Unity is not about just about height; it's about perspective, and it reminds you about leadership, unity, and vision. Then, while offering the nature, culture, and adventure, and calm in all in one piece. So then, if you go unhurried, give it at least 1.5 days or 2 days, and you can return not just with photos, with pride and inspiration. If you'd like, I can also. Then create a 2 day or a 3 day with itinerary and suggest best hotels, 3 or 4 luxury. Plan a family friendly or spiritual focused trip and just tell me. Then follow Zit.channel and bye guys. Like and subscribe my video and follow Zit.channel.